Welcome to the California Community College's Vision Resource Center. This video will review basic navigation of the main features. It's important to note that the video shows the global statewide content available to all system professionals. If you're a user at a college that has already fully integrated with the Vision Resource Center and the Cornerstone platform, then you will have additional main navigation buttons you won't see in the video that are maintained at your college. The first thing we recommend is adding a photo to your profile. To access your profile, hover over the icon of the gear and select My Account. You can change your profile picture by clicking this arrow in the top right corner of the photo space, and then clicking Change. Upload your preferred photo and then click Save. To further edit your bio, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can complete summary information about yourself to share with your colleagues. Now let's review the main features on the System Welcome page. The very first set of options here are Learn, Connect, and Convene. These are the main features of the Vision Resource Center, and we'll explore each of these in more depth later in the video. Essentials pages are built around the major reform topics related to the Vision for Success. These pages provide broad overview information for each topic, links to related learning and communities here within the Vision Resource Center, and links to additional external resources and information. These are excellent starting points for anyone at your college who wants to learn about or further engage in any of these important topics. You can also navigate to these pages directly from the main menu. Back on the home page. Featured content lists some of the new and/or popular learning modules developed by the California Community Colleges. Click on Details, then launch the module. Once you launch a module, it will be automatically saved in your transcript. We'll review modules and transcripts more later in the video. Back on the home page. Scrolling further down, you'll find Stories from the Field. Stories from the Field are videos featuring faculty, staff, managers, and administrators from colleges throughout our system talking about ways that their colleges are working to get things done. Videos will be collected and added on an ongoing basis, and we recommend taking a look once in a while to hear about what other colleges are doing. Hopefully, you'll pick up some ideas to try and then have a story of your own to share. We'll talk more about sharing ideas and resources when we look at the Communities feature. Finally, on the homepage, you will find links to frequently asked questions and additional support. If you need any additional help with the Vision Resource Center, this is the place to start. Now let's look through the main features, Connect and Learn. Under the Connect menu, you will see links to All Communities and Live Feed. The All Communities button takes you to a list of all the communities available for you to join. The CCC in front of a community name indicates that that is a system-wide community available to all professionals. To join a community, click the name, and in the welcome screen, click Join Community. Once you confirm, you'll automatically see the welcome page for members. The main page has summary information about the community, a snapshot of members, recent posts, and trending topics. You can also visit the Topics page within a community to access discussion folders. Browse these folders to find information, resources, discussion questions posted by community moderators and colleagues across the system. You can also post your own questions or resources to share with the system. Back in the main page of each community, you will also see a button for members. Click here to see all of the members and moderators for that community. As a member of a community or several communities, you will receive regular email updates about new posts. If you're interested to quickly review all of the recent activity in your communities, visit the live feed link under the Connect menu. Your live feed will have all the recent posts and discussions for the communities that you're following. Now onto the Learn feature. The first item in the Learn menu is your transcript. Click this to see all the learning modules you've started and completed. Your default view will be your active or in-progress modules. You can switch the view to completed to view your completed modules, print completion certificates, and even relaunch them for review. But before you can add learning to your transcript, you need to know how to find modules you're looking for. To search for learning, go to the Learn menu and navigate to Learner Home. Here on Learner Home, you will find recommended learning based on featured and popular content. You can search with keywords through the entire learning catalog here. Type in your search phrase, and you'll review results from our content providers like LinkedIn Learning, Skillsoft, and the California Community Colleges. You can filter your results by duration, type, subject, and provider. To see the full description of any module, simply click the title. If you decide that you don't want to launch this module, you can navigate back to your previous page to continue searching through results. You can launch the modules from this screen by hovering over the 3 bubbles in the bottom left corner of the module card. You can launch the module, save it for later, and it will save to your Learner Home, or you can choose to add it to a playlist that you're building. Click Launch, and you may have to click again if your browser is set to block the pop-up windows. But once the module has been launched, it will be saved. So you can easily click out of it and access it again in your transcript. When searching for modules, you can also choose to save them for later. Saving a module for later adds it back to your Learner Home menu. So you can easily navigate through and look for modules that you visited before but perhaps didn't have time at the moment to finish. You can also create playlists with several modules and use those for future reference and share them with colleagues to help build common skills and understanding. Next in the Learn menu is the Professional Development Calendar. This calendar features system-wide professional development events, such as workshops and summits. You can hover over an event to see a quick description, and click to get full details and links to additional information and registration. The Help menu has the Vision Resource Center support page, where you likely found this video. There are also links to frequently asked questions, a contact form, and a community about the Vision Resource Center itself. These were just the basics. Now that you know how to get around, there's a great deal of opportunity ahead of you. We hope you enjoy working on your own professional development goals and connecting with the rest of the California Community College professionals in the Vision Resource Center.